Don't you hate it when somebody prejudge you before experiencing you? Like somebody says to me, oh, I didn't expect you to call. I didn't think you would call. Like, you didn't think I would call? You think I'm what? Because you've dealt with people of my kind in the past who disappointed you, you think I'm not going to call? I don't think it's fair. I think it's absolutely toxic. I hate it. It feels horrible. Being judged for things you didn't do in the past. It doesn't matter whether it's a friendship or a relationship. Somebody expecting you to be negative just because you're looking at your phone and smiling, or you were talking to somebody that just saw you smiling. That's stupid. What's up, everybody? I hope you're doing good. It's a beautiful day. Thank you very much for choosing us again. We have things to talk about. Okay, so number one, I see you from all over the place. I greet you, I salute you from South Africa, Uganda, Nigeria, Zimbabwe, Kenya, Ghana, Jamaica, United States of America, and the UK. Thank you very much for being here. YouTube says you guys watch videos, but you don't subscribe. Please, let's subscribe so we can make this big. Yeah, let's make sense about this. All right, so we have a situation here about the alliance of Sahel state. You remember these countries? These are three countries: Niger, Burkina Faso, and Mali.
Que le Mali, le Niger et le Burkina évoluent.
You know that Mali, Niger, and Burkina Faso operate within a confederal framework.
Mon arrivée avait pour objectif
At the time, my arrival was intended to thank the people of Mali,
le peuple du Mali
Burkina Faso, and Guinea
et de la Guinée pour le soutien qu'ils
for the support they provided to Niger.
au Niger lorsque la
ECOWAS took the unfortunate initiative of using military means to attack the Republic of Niger,
à travers les moyens militaires la République du Niger qui cherchait.
which was seeking its own path.
J'étais venu affirmer à mon frère Assimi Goïta
I came to express to my brother, Assimi Goïta, and to the entire Malian people our gratitude and appreciation for these sacrifices.
pour ces sacrifices parce que c'est un
Because it is a sacrifice,
et il faut le
and it must be characterized as such.
tel. Le fait de
The possibility of going to war if Niger were to be attacked
venait à être agressif.
is a serious problem. Since then, we have operated within a comprehensive framework,
En créant d'abord l'alliance
first creating the Alliance of Sahel States.
le 16 septembre 2020.
On the 16th of September 2023, followed a few months later by the creation of the Confederation of Sahel States on the 6th of July 2024 in Niamey.
Exactement 2024 à Niamey. Entre autres objectifs ont été
Among other things, our objectives have been assigned to this confederation,
notamment le premier pilier,
notably the first pillar, which is the concern of our populations, defense and security.
deuxième pilier qui est celui de la
The second pillar is diplomacy, and the third pillar is development.
du développement. Pour ces trois
For these three pillars,
nous
we meet through our intermediary structures,
Nos structures intermédiaires,
either experts or ministers, from time to time to assess the distance traveled.
la distance parcourue,
Allow me to use that term,
les objectifs atteints ou à
the objectives achieved or to be achieved. It is in this context that I am currently in Bamako to attempt to take stock with my brother, Assimi Goïta.
d'horizon avec mon frère Assimi Goïta. Un tour d'horizon qui
An overview that obviously includes the three areas I have just mentioned.
que je viens de citer. Vous êtes
You are certainly aware,
au courant, comme tout
like all the peoples of the Confederation,
de notre volonté,
of our desire to create and consolidate a unified force
une force unifiée dont l'État-major
whose headquarters is already operational. The battalions are constituted and will be operational, so to speak,
opérationnel, si on peut dire
since they are already operational through bilateral and multilateral operations that we have conducted,
multilatéral que nous avons,
whether with Mali, Burkina Faso, or the three countries together.
soit avec le Burkina ou les trois pays ensemble. Mais nous voulons aller plus loin.
But we want to go further, and that is why the military headquarters, headquartered in Niamey, is currently being formed so that all defense and security issues
Tous les problèmes de défense et sécurité soient pris en charge par.
can be addressed by this unified force.
Pour ce qui est de la diplomatie, vous le voyez.
As for diplomacy, as you can see, whether at the United Nations or at any other meeting of interest,
D'intérêt, nos représentants
our representatives maintain the same position and make the same decisions.
prennent les mêmes décisions. C'est la volonté de notre confédération.
This is the will of our Confederation, and it is in this direction that the ministers are working day and night.
Pour le développement, vous savez que nous avons
Regarding development, you know that we have created the Confederal Bank for Investment and Development.
Je ne vais pas rentrer dans des détails puisque
I don't want to go into details, since we will soon meet again in Bamako to precisely determine the scope of this bank's operation.
avec précision le contour du fonctionnement de cette banque. Mais sachez que
But know that everything is already ready,
qu'il s'agisse du siège ou des autres
whether it's the headquarters or the other support structures. Everything is known in advance,
d'avance, mais sera précisé
but will be clarified, God willing, at the next meeting here in Bamako.
à Bamako. Je n'aimerais pas aller dans d'autres
I wouldn't like to go into other details, which are rather discreet.
discrets.
So, there are areas that, of course, we can't discuss here.
Ici, mais il y a des domaines d'intérêt que nous avons passés en revue.
But there are areas of interest that we have reviewed, and that, God willing, at the next meeting, you will know more about. That, in a nutshell, is the purpose of my visit.
Merci.
Once again, thank you to the valiant people of Mali.
Merci.
Thank you to the valiant people of Burkina Faso. Thank you to the valiant people of Niger, the people who have made it possible to take the lead and now lead the revolution.
L'ascendant est désormais de conduire la révolution. Il n'y a pas autre qualificatif.
There is no other description than that. It is the people of the Sahel who are leading the revolution, and God willing, with the people as their guide.
Le succès
Success lies at the end of the road.
du chemin.
Let me know how you feel about this. It's always a great pleasure. Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger are not having it. They're going to move together. They're going to work together. Do you feel like countries in Africa need to be led by soldiers, maybe, in order for Africans to move in a good direction? Let me know your opinion on this. It's going to be a real pleasure to read you. God bless.